Welcome everyone guys to another video for Italian for Americans. Today we're gonna see together 5 common and easy Italian phrases you need to know if you want to learn Italian. Before we start, I want to remind you that here we are creating these tiny videos to help you out build your core vocabulary as fast as you can, so that then you can move on and learn the real Italian language via natural content, because I'm a big believer in the natural approach to learn Italian, which states that you're gonna learn Italian exposing yourself to a lot of comprehensible and interesting input content in Italian. That being said, let's start with number 1. Come va? Come va? How is it going? Come va? Tutto bene, grazie. E tu? Come va? Tutto bene, grazie. E tu? Non mi lamento. Non mi lamento. I can't complain. A way to respond to come va is non mi lamento. If everything is going well without any problems, you can easily say non mi lamento or non posso lamentarmi. Non mi lamento, non posso lamentarmi. Can't complain. Number 3 is è molto gentile da parte tua. Or the formal one, è molto gentile da parte sua. It's very kind of you. So, as I said, when you want to thank someone, you can say è molto gentile da parte tua. È molto gentile da parte tua. Informal, while è molto gentile da parte sua. È molto gentile da parte sua is the formal one. Number 4 is grazie lo stesso. Grazie lo stesso. Grazie lo stesso. Thank you anyway. If someone was trying to help you but he really couldn't reach the result you desired, you could say grazie lo stesso. Grazie lo stesso. Which means thank you anyway. Like, I appreciate that, but it just didn't work out. Number 5, last one is non preoccuparti, no worries. Non preoccuparti. If someone made a mistake, like you were walking down the road and he accidentally hit you, and he's now like worried and preoccupied about this, you can tell him non preoccuparti, non preoccuparti, or the formal one, non si preoccupi, non si preoccupi, non si preoccupi, or informal, non preoccuparti. Or another one is non fa niente, non fa niente, non preoccuparti, non fa niente, non si preoccupi. And it's a way for you to tell them, no, don't worry, like, it's not a problem, don't worry. Okay guys, so these were 5 simple sentences. As I said, the goal of these tiny videos is to help you build the core vocabulary and core words that you need to know at the beginning, so that then you can move on to the real Italian language and real interesting content. Let me know in the comments if you appreciate these tiny videos, leave a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.